Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you've been following our journey through the world of Microsoft Word, you're in for a treat as we dive into Part 5. In Parts 1 to 4, we've covered the essentials, advanced features, document formatting, design, and so much more. From mastering the basics to customizing headers, footers, and adding creative text elements, we've explored the full spectrum of Word's capabilities. Now, in Part 5, we're about to take things up another notch. Get ready for an in-depth look at advanced formatting techniques, collaboration features, and some expert tips to make your Word experience even more efficient and productive. Whether you're a seasoned Word user or just starting, there's something here for everyone. Let's not waste any time and dive right into Part 5 of our Microsoft Word mastery journey. In this fifth part of the MS Word tutorial, we will explore the Layout tab and the Page Setup group in detail. We'll cover various options within this group, including margins, orientation, size, columns, breaks, line numbers, and hyphenation. 1. Margins. Margins determine the amount of white space around the edges of your document. To set margins, click on the Layout tab. B. In the Page Setup group, you'll find the Margins button. Click on it. C. You can choose from predefined margin settings like normal, narrow, wide, or customize margins by selecting Custom Margins. D. In the Page Setup dialog box, adjust the margin measurements for the top, bottom, left, and right margins according to your preference. E. Click OK to apply the changes. 2. Orientation. Orientation refers to the page's layout, whether it's in portrait, vertical, or landscape, horizontal mode. To change the page orientation, in the Layout tab, within the Page Setup group, find the Orientation option. B. Click on Portrait for vertical orientation or Landscape for horizontal orientation. 3. Size. You can change the size of your document page. The default is typically set to 8.5 by 11 inches letter size. To change the page size, in the Layout tab, within the Page Setup group, locate the Size button. B. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various predefined paper sizes. Select the size you want, or choose more paper sizes for custom dimensions. 4. Columns. MS Word allows you to create columns in your document. To format text into columns, in the Layout tab, within the Page Setup group, find the Columns button. B. Click on it to choose the number of columns you want for your selected text or the entire document. 5. Breaks. Page and section breaks are essential for controlling page layouts and formatting. To insert breaks, in the Layout tab, within the Page Setup group, locate the Breaks button. B. Click on it to insert various types of breaks, such as page breaks, column breaks, or section breaks. 6. Line numbers. You can add line numbers to your document for reference or citation purposes. To include line numbers, in the Layout tab, within the Page Setup group, find the Line Numbers button. B. Click on it to select the numbering style and positioning options. 7. Hyphenation. Hyphenation helps in improving the appearance and readability of your document by breaking words at the end of lines. To enable hyphenation, in the Layout tab, within the Page Setup group, find the Hyphenation button. B. Click on it and choose Automatic or Manual hyphenation. If you choose Manual, you'll have more control over where hyphens are placed. These are powerful tools within MS Word's Layout tab and Page Setup group that can help you format your documents precisely as you need. Experiment with these options to make your documents more professional and visually appealing. In this tutorial, we'll explore the paragraph options under the Layout tab in Microsoft Word, specifically focusing on indent and spacing settings. 1. Indentation. Indentation refers to the space between the margin and the text. You can use indentation to create visually appealing layouts and enhance the readability of your documents. Here's how to work with indentation. I'll open Microsoft Word and create a new document or open an existing one. B. Click on the Layout tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. C. In the Paragraph group, you'll find the Indent options. Left indent. This allows you to adjust the left margin for a selected paragraph or text. To set a left indent, select the text you want to indent or place your cursor within the paragraph. Click the left indent option and choose a specific measurement or use the increase/decrease buttons to adjust the indent. Right indent. Similarly, you can adjust the right margin for a selected paragraph or text. To set a right indent, select the text. Click the right indent option and choose a specific measurement or use the increase/decrease buttons. First line indent. This is often used for creating a paragraph with the first line indented. To set a first line indent, select the paragraph. Click the first line indent option and choose a specific measurement or use the increase/decrease buttons. 2. Line spacing. Line spacing controls the vertical space between lines of text within a paragraph. Proper line spacing enhances readability and document appearance. Here's how to adjust line spacing. Still in the Layout tab, within the Paragraph group, you'll find the spacing options. Before, this controls the amount of space added before a paragraph. To set space before a paragraph, select the paragraph. Click the Before option and specify the space measurement. After, this controls the space added after a paragraph. To set space after a paragraph, select the paragraph. Click the After option and specify the space measurement. Line spacing. You can also adjust the line spacing within the paragraph. Click on the line spacing option and choose from options like single, 1.5 lines, or double spacing. This option lets you set a fixed line height. If you want precise control over line spacing, select and specify the exact measurement. By mastering the indent and spacing options under the paragraph settings in the Layout tab, you can format your documents precisely to meet your needs. Whether you're creating academic papers, reports, or any other type of document, these tools will help you achieve a professional and polished look. We'll explore the Arrange options under the Layout tab in Microsoft Word, which include Position, Wrap Text, Bring Forward, Send Backward, Selection Pane, Align, Group, and Rotate. 1. Position. The Position option allows you to precisely control the placement of objects, such as images or shapes, on your Word document. Here's how to use it. Click on the object you want to position. B. Navigate to the Layout tab in the ribbon. C. In the Arrange group, click the Position button. D. Choose from various positioning options, such as top left, bottom right, or absolute position, to fine-tune the object's location on the page. 2. Wrap text. Wrap text lets you control how text flows around an object. To adjust text wrapping, Select the object. B. In the Arrange group, click the Wrap Text button. C. Choose a text wrapping style, such as in line with text, square, or tight, depending on how you want the text to interact with the object. 3. Bring forward and send backward. These options are used to change the stacking order of objects on the page. Bring forward moves an object one layer forward, while send backward moves it one layer backward. To change the order, select the object you want to reorder. B. In the Arrange group, click either Bring Forward or Send Backward to adjust the stacking order. 4. Selection pane. The selection pane is a helpful tool for managing complex documents with multiple objects. It allows you to view and organize the objects on your page easily. In the Arrange group, click the Selection pane button. The pane will appear on the right side of your screen, displaying a list of all objects in your document. You can rename, hide, or rearrange objects from this pane. 5. Align. Align options help you precisely align multiple objects on the page. To align objects, select the objects you want to align. B. In the Arrange group, click the Align button. C. Choose an alignment option like Align Left, Align Center, or Distribute horizontally to align or distribute the objects as desired. 6. Group. Grouping allows you to treat multiple objects as a single unit. This is useful for moving, resizing, or formatting multiple objects together. Select the objects you want to group. In the Arrange group, click the Group button. 7. Rotate. You can easily rotate objects in your document to achieve the desired orientation. Select the object you want to rotate. In the Arrange group, click the Rotate button. Choose from options like Rotate Right 90 degrees or Flip Vertical to change the object's orientation. These Arrange options in the Layout tab of Microsoft Word provide you with powerful tools for positioning, arranging, and formatting objects in your documents, making it easier to create visually appealing and organized content. And that wraps up part 5 of our Microsoft Word tutorial series. We've journeyed from the basics to advanced techniques, empowering you to wield Word's full potential. We hope you found this installment as enlightening and helpful as the previous ones. As you continue to explore the world of Word, remember that knowledge is your greatest tool. Stay tuned for future parts where we'll keep uncovering more word wizardry, collaboration hacks, and productivity gems. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest tips and tricks. Thanks for joining us on this learning adventure, and until next time, keep creating amazing documents.